been the same if I was a little boy regarding sleepovers. An SVU prosecutor in the 90s, and he's my papi, here to answer all your questions.
Just because they're a friend from school doesn't mean you as a parent know the parent well, know what their thought processes are. I saw it on a regular basis. I used to interview the children, unfortunately, that had been abused, had been hurt, lives turned upside down. And many times it's people within the home. It could be friends of the older siblings that come to the house that you have no control over who come in and out of a home. So for me as a parent, it was always easier to just say, just have a belief in our family that our child doesn't spend the night. I'm certainly happy to bring her and pick her up before the kids are gonna go to bed. I never had a problem with a parent cornering me to put pressure on me. Sometimes, frankly, I think parents were relieved. That's one less kid that's spending the night that they're responsible for. Absolutely, the rules would have been the same. The reality of life is just because it's a little boy doesn't mean there's gonna be no sexual abuse. To the contrary. I used to see horrific cases that you would never expect in a million years. I used to see those cases all the time, almost with the same level of frequency that I did with little girls. No, the issue of an all-girls summer camp doesn't address the issue that the maintenance crew is probably male. There's a lot of men still involved, although obviously women can appropriately conduct themselves with children, but it's just not the norm. It's not the common case. So you have to be very cognizant of you're dropping off your child in a place where you have absolutely no knowledge of what's going on while they're in that care. And I just wasn't willing to do that.